Hello. Let's jump back into this mold. I think I've got enough concrete. I don't have enough concrete, so this is a fun one. What happens when you got a mold? You don't have enough concrete, but you're still like, oh boy, you want to use it. You don't want to waste it. I don't want to waste a little bit of leftover concrete, so here's what I did. Leftover concrete, I dumped it into this mold from a secret collaboration that we have coming up. It's going to be very fun. And I'm pouring it in at an angle. I'm angling, making an angled thing. Now here's the trick. I've poured my concrete in at an angle into this mold, and now I'm going to have to support it at an angle so it cures at an angle. So I'm going to put this putty knife under it, like so. And just let that sit. That's a quick one, but we're going to find out what this does. Catch you on the cured side, concrete fans. We're back on the cured side of this concrete piece, trying to figure out what we can do with just a little bit of leftover concrete, and I do mean little. There's not much. We did not have much left over. And so I poured the concrete into this little mold at an angle, just to show what you can do with a mold like this and a partial amount of concrete. You might as well, you don't have to throw your concrete out, use it for something. So because it was the tail end of the mix, it was maybe setting up a little bit, or it didn't quite vibrate enough, so we got a little more voids than I would like to see, but we made a little partial guy. I sand down these edges a bit, but there you go. I just set it down on something, put it on into a potted plant, or just out in your garden or something, but there it is. Tiny guy, tiny partial guy, sits at an angle, looks kind of cool. But that's something you can do with leftover concrete. Thanks everybody for tuning back into The Joy of Concrete with Mr. Concrete. If you liked what you saw, please like, subscribe, hit that notification button. Leave a comment below for things that you might like to see in the future, or if you just want to tell me something, you can do it. Thank you, and have a good rest of your day.